Hey, 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 hey. Ano ba yan? Damo? Damo kagad. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, magandang sunset. Sunset dito. Walaan nyo nasan ako. Walaan nyo nasan ako. Walaan nyo nasan ako. Ayan, walaan nyo na. So, right now. Oh, you want me to English now? I will try English for the total of this video, okay? It's my first time to use English, okay? Okay? Okay na lang nasabi. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Yung malalim inhale sa ilong. Exhale. Inhale ng malalim. Exhale. Last inhale. Exhale. Yeah. Sarap, no? Ang sarap mabuhay. It's good to be alive. Okay, let's try English. Because maybe I will have a watcher that understand English and don't understand Tagalog. So I will try. I will do my best. Because I want to vlog, I want to tell you about the place here in Ayala. This is Ayala Triangle Gardens. So it's very big, but it has very nice playgrounds. So let me show you different place here. First is, oh, there's a monkey. What you doing? Oh, first is this. You can play with this. How? Oh, okay. You can go around like this. Okay, it's free. You can come. Everybody can come here. Maybe best to go here walking, so you don't need to park. Me, I go here using the bike. That's my bike with my friend Francis Bike Adventure. Okay. There's also different kinds of place here. There's parang obstacle course like that, pero it's closed right now. And there's a slide. There's, what's this? I don't know what's this. How to play this? I don't know. Maybe you just need to sit. You just sit here. I don't know how to. Children 2 to 12. Oh, I'm so old now. I'm already 30. Okay, there's also what you call that? Seesaw. Seesaw. Ganda naman ng seesaw. Enjoy sila. Meron din ditong mataas na slide. Oh, 3 to 12 years old. So, hindi tayo allowed. Meron din ditong tawag dito. Tawiran. Hindi ko understand kung para saan. Ganun slides. So, it's a very nice place. So there's so many kids here playing. Oh, it's hard to English, because I just want to introduce to you this place. There's so many buildings around, like this building and that buildings. Yes. And this person. Hi, Francis Adventure. How are you there? Yeah. Yan po yung ating kabady. Actually, today, we are waiting for our new friends, the Ayala Triads,
You know what?
They're a group of runners. You're all invited every Tuesday here. Later, we will exercise here. Okay. What do? We do different kinds of workout. And they are a group of runners, so usually the the workouts are preparing us for runs, long runs, like you know, the 5 kilometer ultra.
Ultra marathon.
Yeah. So we've been attending this for already maybe 2-3 months.
This is my 7, I think 7, 6.
Wow, you're very consistent. So every Tuesday they hold the workout here every 7 p.m. Every 7 p.m. So I invite you all. You can go here, work out, stop staying inside your house, go out and enjoy life. Don't bore yourself just watching this video. So you can go out, especially when you're in just Ayala, Makati. You can walk here, just in front of BDO and Lepante. Oh, it's hard to English, no? No, social here. Oh, social. Okay, let's watch Bike Adventure play that. Okay, you can play now. Go.
Akala ko may
Ikot yan when you push it. Stand there. Stand. Stand. Stand ka dyan. Pero nakalagay dyan 6 to ano daw.
umikot.
May ikot yan. Ganyan natin. Like ko na. See?
Yun ang ano, sabi ko.
Hindi yan yun ang umiikot. Yung baba. Ay Tagalog. You know? Okay, last 6 minutes. Anything you want to say, you put comment if you like this place. It's free here, everybody can go here. Oh look, they're playing na. Somebody's playing na here. Oh, see, they're playing now. Yee-hoo! Oh, bitaw, mahulog ka.
You lie down. Ay, wag. Puka lang.
Sit down.
But don't put your feet on the floor.
Wow, okay.
Oo.
Yee! Oh no, the child will turn sick. Oh no. It's dangerous. I think they enjoyed it. Okay, last 5 minutes. Okay, you try yourself. Ang saya dito, punta kayo dito. Bukas naman to nung it's open for the whole day. You can stay here. Okay, there's somebody playing na. Go, you work it. Okay. Okay. So I miss you all. Thank you. Did you watch my video last 2 days ago? I did a video. My video from BGC to Makati. I video, then I showed you the update of the.
Do you want to borrow this so you can have a nice vlogging?
Maybe later because I put it. It's a dual video. I cannot. Maybe it's only for one video. There's also a garden here. You can sit here. You can relax. It's kind of different, using different language, you know. But at least I think right now I will have a video that can be understood by foreign people that understand English. Oh, if you like, you can understand this. You just put subtitle. You can put subtitle. Yes. Okay. Here's the building. Here's the bridge. What can I say? I had a very nice day today because I wake up early, 6 a.m. Did my meditation for 1 hour. Woke up. I did go down to my room around 7:30 a.m. Then did clean my living room because I want to use it as my pickleball practice. So I did many today. We cook spaghetti for our senior citizen border in my place in Bacoor, Cavite. So, okay. We use this. Then my friend Francis did go to my house by 4 p.m. He ate spaghetti. Then we ride to here. To here. Going here. We ride this bike. We did go. What time? We did go for 4:44 p.m. Then we arrived here before dark. Actually, it's so fast. We just rode maybe around more than 1 hour and we're here already. Okay, I finished my English. 11 minutes. I love you all. I miss you all. I hope I can, because there's nothing more going around. So that's why I haven't vlogged so much. And it's hard to English, you know. Do you think I'm fluent? You give me a comment if you like this video, or if it's not cool. It's hard. It's, you know, you cannot speak you cannot be so natural if you don't speak your own original language, you know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Last 1 minute. Okay. Whew. I enjoyed it, that it's not that long. You know, it's hard. You convert the language and you say the thoughts to this video. I want to show the new characteristic of my video. You can increase your video like that. Oh, see? I can control the camera. What else? You can put it down here, go up there, going down here. It's so fun. So I love you all. I wish you peace. 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 Love. Peace, happiness, and more freedom to you all. Enjoy your life. Bye.